Hi parents, did your child ever say, I play yesterday instead of I played yesterday? Then this video is for you. Here, I will help your child practice regular past tense verbs in a fun and simple way. Welcome to VEM Tutoring, and I am a public speaking teacher at a well known educational platform. Before I start the class with your child, I would like to add that I also conduct live online classes for public speaking. We focus on 5 pillars of public speaking, which are the confidence, thought structure, fluency, voice, and body language. Every child can become a confident public speaker with the right guidance. So, if you would like to register for our free demo class, then you can do it in two ways. Number one, register using the Google form given below in the description and in the comment box, or drop an email to the mail ID mentioned on the screen. This is going to be activity 4. If you haven't seen the previous activities, kindly check them as well. Now, let me start the session with your child. Hi, learner. In this class, we are going to practice about the regular past tense verbs. In this activity, a sentence from the present tense will be given, and you have to change the same sentence into the past tense. The first sentence is she cleans her room after lunch. Now, change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is she cleaned her room after lunch. The second sentence is we play football in the park. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is we played football in the park. My father washes the car on Sunday. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is my father washed the car on Sunday. They talk about the movie. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is they talked about the movie. We enjoyed the music. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is we enjoyed the music. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is the teacher explained the lesson clearly. I opened the door for my friend. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is I opened the door for my friend. They finished their homework quickly. Now change this sentence into its past tense form. The answer is they finished their homework quickly. That's it for this activity, learner. We will practice more of regular past tense verbs in the upcoming videos. So stay subscribed. As mentioned earlier, register for our free demo class using the Google form given in the description and in the comment box, or drop an email to the mail ID mentioned on the screen. Every child can become a confident public speaker with the right guidance. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.